Hey everyone, today I have my daughter helping me with this video. We are going to be testing out these Day of the Dead costume tattoos that we bought on Amazon. We actually got these last year, but time slipped away from us so quickly, so we're going to be using them this year. We have a Halloween party that we're hosting for her schoolmates and classmates, so we're going to have so much fun. And she already selected her design. It's going to be this one today. There's 6 of them that come in this package, and this is the one we're going to be using today. Look at how cool all of these designs are. If you can have it like really pretty, really cute, kind of spooky, scary, or like traditional Day of the Dead. And these are just like water tattoos that you press on with a sponge or a towel. So we have no idea how this is going to go. But we're going to try our best and hopefully it turns out. So if you're interested in getting these costume tattoos, I will link the Amazon listing down below. Let me know how it goes for you guys if you intend to try these out as well. So just like any temporary tattoo, you want to cut out the tattoos you want to use, just like this. And then I cut them as close as I could to the design. And then what you're going to do is place it on the skin, and then use water and press it down for maybe like 30 seconds to a minute and make sure it adheres really well. And then you want to peel off the other side of the tattoo. They do have some for the nose, for the cheek, around the eyes, and then this one here is for the lips. I think the lips here are just printed on the paper, but the tattoo part is going to be separated. So when you cut it out, you're not actually going to have the lips on your lips, but it'll be the design. And then there's some for the forehead that I'll also cut out, but we're going to try first the eyes, the cheeks, and the nose. You ready? Okay, so just like the temporary tattoos, there's going to be a plastic film that you want to remove first. And then we are going to start with the cheek because I feel like that's the easiest. And so for the cheek, there are 2 sides. Oops. So we'll see how we're going to place it on here. Do you want leaves up or like that, right? That looks kind of cute.
Like this.
Okay. Peel the plastic off. And then I have a towel here with the wet side. And then I'm going to place it, oh, it has to go on this side, so backwards. And then make sure that your towel is really wet. Actually, I'm going to wet it a little bit more. And it says that these tattoos can last a couple days if done really right, but I honestly don't think that you want to have these tattoos on, you know, for more than either your party or for Halloween. So the way to remove them is what we've done in the past with temporary tattoos. You can just use a little bit of oil, any type of oil really, whether it's baby oil, coconut oil, just get it oily and it'll come off. Okay, so it looks like, I know, so it looks like it's sliding off already. Oh, that was super easy to do. All right. Wow. Tell them what you're going to be for Halloween.
So for Halloween, I'm going to be a broken doll, but for the Halloween party, I'm just going to be a skeleton, this black skeleton. This is what it looks like on my face. Is the plastic still on there?
Oh, is it? Is the plastic still on there?
Yeah.
I think I messed up.
Oopsie.
Oh man, I totally messed up. What are we gonna do?
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, I totally screwed up. I forgot to take the plastic off on this side, so. All right, I took the plastic off the nose part. And I'm going to stick it on.
This feels weird.
When you get to parts of your face that are more rounded,
it's kind of hard.
Yeah, so you want to make sure you just stay there for a while. Oh, wow, that was easy.
Who knows?
So let's do the eyes. All right, so I went ahead and put a slit because anytime you have something round and you're trying to stick it on, it's easier to adhere when you've got a little cut. So we're gonna do that.
A little dry.
Okay, let me wet it a little bit more.
These tattoos are really easy to put on.
Super easy. And then any part that's not sticking, you just take your wet towel or sponge and press it gently on the skin and then it'll stick. Look how amazing that looks.
My brother just farted.
I'm not gonna make the same mistake. I'm gonna tear off the plastic. So easy. Okay, let me pat it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some oil on my towel.
Scared me.
And then I'm going to rub it into the skin just gently. Oh yeah. So it's a much better method if you put your oil directly onto a towel and then massage it into the skin where the design is, and it comes right off.
Massages.
Press it in. So I'm going to use some of the other designs. You want to do the mouth right now?
Yeah, I want to do the stitches. I just want to cut off the mouth. I would just want to do the stitches. Stitches. Stitch.
Okay, so I'm just going to use the mouth side. I don't want to put it on her lips because she's going to be eating and drinking and stuff today, so I don't want to risk having some of the ink go in her mouth. So I'm just going to do the side of the mouth. So here's one side.
Did you take the thing off?
I did. I took the plastic off. I'm just going to put it right here where the line would be. I'm going to start that right here on the outside of her mouth.
Last year I was Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. And if you want to watch that video, it's just linked down below.
Don't touch it.
It's on here. The thing's on there.
Oh my gosh, I did it again? What in the world? I can't believe I just did that again.
My Halloween costume's getting ruined.
All right, let's take it off again. Okay, taking one of these designs that you could either use for your cheek or your chin. I'm actually going to use it for her mouth, so it's going to look like this.
Well, make sure you feel it.
And I already took off the plastic. I did.
Perfect. Mom, you're wearing the perfect shirt.
I know, it's my Halloween shirt.
Well, what are you gonna do?
Not sure yet. Yay! All right.
Okay, phew. The thing. Okay, right.
Okay, wow. That looks amazing. Oh, the nose is a little bit crooked, but it's okay.
They crooked.
Let me see if I've got a cute little heart here.
It's beautiful.
I already took the plastic off.
So this is what it looks like on my. Okay, perfect.
Oh my god, it's crooked.
Stop being crooked.
It's crooked, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So because I put the heart on a little crooked, I'm going to put a little dot right here to kind of offset that center part. Going to make it look like I did it on purpose. If I wasn't doing this on camera, then I would have it a little easier time trying to center it. But because I'm trying to get her in the frame, I keep doing off center, so I'm sorry about that.
We all make mistakes.
See how it kind of offsets it? So I'm going to put another little dot around it.
It looks like I have a little mole.
Yeah, another little dot right here.
And that was the last tattoo we put on her face. We also pressed down the rest of the tattoo parts that were coming up a little bit with more water. She got dressed and her party was a huge success. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You can find the link to this Amazon listing for these same tattoos down below. I encourage you to check out some of my other videos that I've done for Halloween makeup tutorials. I hope you guys have a very safe Halloween, and I will see you guys all in my next video.